My name is Matthew Bird, and today we're going to go over how to use the Access World News database at the Columbia College Chicago Library website. Access World News is a great database to use in order to find sources from things like newspapers, journals, periodicals, things of that nature. So here at the main website at library.colum.edu, you're going to want to scroll down the quick links and click on the Databases tab, which will give you our A to Z list of databases that you have access to here at Columbia. Access World News is going to be right near the top. Just click on this tab here. And it'll take you right to the Access World News homepage. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is refine your search by source location. So today we're going to go with North America. You can narrow down even further by country. So we're going to click on the United States here. And you can narrow it down even further by region. So today we're going to go with Illinois and Indiana to keep it local. Now your main search bar is here. So today we're going to search CTA, but you can put in whatever search topic you're looking for at any particular moment. The number of fields that you can search from are listed here. You have alt text, lead/first paragraph, headline, author/byline, section, caption, page, source, dates, word count, and added within. We're going to go with lead/first paragraph as that tends to yield the most results on your first search. And you're also going to want to enter a date range to narrow down your search even further by date. So today we're going to go with 1985 through 1995. And you can add or subtract as many fields as you want to search with the plus and minus button here. You can sort the order in which your results come in, either best match, newest, or oldest. We're going to go with best match today. Click on the search button here. And your search results will pop up. Now on the sidebar here, you can change how you want your results sorted by. You can narrow down the date range if you wish, or create an entirely new date range right here. You can narrow it down to a particular source type here, narrow it down to a particular year here, narrow it down to a particular source name here, a particular source location here, and a particular language here. Now, once you find a source that intrigues you, just hover your mouse over the title, and a small preview will pop up. If the preview intrigues you, just click on the tab here, and you'll see the title of the article, the date it was published, where it was published, the author, the page within the periodical, newspaper, journal, what have you, as well as the section. You can read the article, and all of the parts of the article that match any keywords you've put in will be highlighted for your convenience. If you want to copy the link for later, you click on this tab here. If you want to download the article, you click on this download button here. You can print it off by clicking this button here. Email, the same thing with this button here. And if you want to cite this article in, say, a paper you're writing or a bibliography, just click on the citation button here, and a list of citation methods will pop up. So today we're going to go with MLA. And the MLA citation for this article will be generated for you. Now, do note that you're always going to want to check these automatically generated citations against the official manual guide, as sometimes an automatically generated citation can have an error in it. You do not want that error on your bibliography. So just go ahead and always double check those once you make them. If you have any questions about Access World News or anything in general involving library databases, you can always go back to the library homepage and click on the message button here right next to Ask a Librarian, and one of the librarians here at Columbia College will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you so much, and have a great rest of your day.